Hey guys, how's it going? How to fix DNS/prop/finished/nx domain hostinger. So check your domain registration. Just make sure that your domain is correctly registered and active. Log into the hostinger account and then go to the DNS zone editor in your hosting control panel. Verify that your DNS record, CNAME, etc. are correctly configured, and then clear on Windows, open command prompt and run, and then you're gonna type ipconfig/flush DNS, and then on Mac OS, if you are using Mac, just open the terminal and run, and then you're gonna see sudo kill all/hop mdnsre spawner. Okay, and then you're gonna restart your router, and then turn off your router, wait for a few moments, and then turn it back to refresh your connection. Change your DNS server to Google DNS or Cloudflare DNS, and then afterwards check the host file, and then disable any proxy or VPN if you're using VPN or proxy. And then if the problem persists, reach out to the hostinger's support team for further assistance. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.